Hey, my name is Anna. Welcome to DID Studio. Let's check this out. How easy to creating the video with free.
Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to share with you this DID app. So this is the interface. So I will provide the link in my description box below. So this is the text to video. So you can create your own presentation, sales, advertisement, or the briefing. We can come to this top of the right hand side here, click login. So once we log in, this is the home page. So home page here have this create video button, and then the left hand side, this column here have a plus button, create video, video library, API document, and supporter price, and new in DID as well. So here, just only the interface. I haven't signed in or signed up this DID well, this free account. So now we just coming here, the guest over here, the bottom here, click the down button. So here they have mentioned to you no credit yet, guest plant. So upgrade. So here's setting, billing, and login. So before we log in, we try to take a look about this one, pricing. Okay, so once I click the pricing, it will bring me to this web page. So here we can see create talking digital human as scratch with AI. Wow, very good. Some of them already tried in few months ago or few weeks ago. So now we try to take a look. Choose your plant. So if I, like me, use the $0, you will about 14 days, just entitled 14 days. Oh, okay. So, and the 5 minute, you can select the plant. Okay, plant. Okay, now I just click here back, select, log in or sign up, and then just wait for a while. So you can use your email to log in and then enter the password. So now I just use my Gmail account to log in. Okay, congratulations. Now I already sign in or sign up. So now I have entitled 20 credit free. Okay, so now we're back to here. I think this $0 means I will entitle 20 coin or 20 credit for 14 days. So if I finish this 20 coin or 20 credit, so I need to wait 14 days. After that, I can enjoy one more time to do it. Okay, to create this video. Okay, so now before okay, now we try to click create video. Okay, now create video. So you can choose your presentation. Choose a presenter. Sorry about that. Presenter. So now you can choose a lady, or yeah, handsome guy, handsome person as well. So okay, now I just okay. So here also you can add your own photo. Okay, your own photo. So maybe I try to use my created photo as well. Okay, I try. Okay, so it's just only half body. Okay, just waiting for a while. Here also have generate AI presenter new. New means later we will try it. Okay, done. This one is a generate AI presenter. Let's check it out. Okay, so a portrait of, okay, you can key in the prompt over here and then you can click generate. So okay, this one later on I will back to here. I use my my provided photo and then scroll down. Okay, now we can key in the script. Okay, so for example, if you have some script, so I will just copy and paste over here. Okay, I insert the script. So once everything is okay, so I just click generate, and then here there will be video link about 10 seconds, video name, so I haven't to give this name, but anyway you can try to change over here untitled video. So never mind, I just leave it like this. So once here will be let you know about 1 credit left from 20, so that means it will minus. So generate this video will be deduct 1 credit. So now I just click generate. Okay, we successfully generate your video just about 9 seconds. Just now my credit just about 19. Okay, now we try to take a look. You can download over here, share or delete.
Hey, my name is Anna. Welcome to DID Studio. Let's check this out. How easy to creating the video with free.
So if you're happy about this, you can click this button, download for your computer. Thank you for your watching. See you in the next video soon. Bye bye.